Chris and Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising, and today we're going to be doing a tour around Disney World's Art of Animation. We're going to do a quick little resort tour. So let's go and let's check out Art of Animation. It's one of our favorites.
Yes, it is.
You have your giant animation cells right out front. Coming into the lobby, you have all of the animation cells down along the wall. Of course, you have your check-in area. You're on the left. Over here, you do need a quick little break for some air conditioning. They have a seating over there area, playing some cartoons. All right, heading straight in, you have the ink and print shop, which will be the gift shop, as well as the landscape of flavors, which is the food court. All right, so it's going to be a normal Disney gift shop, which of course is going to include all things Disney. And of course, being Disney, you can get all kinds of Disney snacks, Disney shaped snacks. They have shirts and bottles and souvenirs and stuffed animals and t-shirts and ears, backpacks, launch fly bags. They have it all. And once you're done in the gift shop, you can head on into the food court area. And this is where you come, and they have multiple stations that you can pick and choose from, including the bakery and the fresh desserts. All right, and of course there is an arcade in here as well, where you can get a massage, you can get pictures, and they have video games that go down and around, including a Marvel photo booth. And now we're gonna head outside. So we are gonna start off here at Art of Animation in the Little Mermaid section. And Art of Animation is definitely known for having some of the most elaborate theming. All right, so coming in.
Snorflack. That's a Snorflack, not the Beagle.
That's a Snorflack.
Yeah.
We have all of Ariel's treasures coming in here. Then you have Ursula. That's the look you get first thing in the morning if somebody doesn't get their coffee. Of course, you have all of the undersea characters. Sebastian. They're putting on a show. And then on the other side, you have King Triton. You have the pool area for the Little Mermaid section. You see Ariel over there in the background. And coming around, we have Ariel and Flounder. Coming back around by the side of the pool. Heading back around towards Ursula. Of course, you have Prince Eric. You can't forget your treasure. You need a big pot of treasure while you're here.
Sure.
And of course, you have your dingle hopper. No trip to visit Little Mermaid is complete without a dingle hopper. So, leaving Little Mermaid, you head straight across into the Lion King. Coming straight in, we got Zazu sitting up on a rock, inviting you in. You have Scar, hyenas here at the Elephant Graveyard. And of course, one shot of Simba up on Pride Rock. And of course, you cannot forget Rafiki. Once you leave Lion King, you have a checkers game outside if you wish to play. And we are now back behind the animation hall where you checked in. And now we're going to head over into Finding Nemo. Now, the Nemo pool is the main pool. The unique thing about this pool is they actually play music and sounds underwater that you can hear. All right, as you come around, you'll see big giant crush. They also have a splash pad area. And here behind the pool, they have a little kids play area. A little coral reef for them to play in. You have Squirt. And of course, it would not be Little Nemo without actually Nemo. Tiffany, mine, mine,
Yeah.
mine, mine, mine. You are heading into Radiator Springs. And here in Radiator Springs, you'll have all of your beloved Cars characters. Got all kinds of car signs. Mater used it. Dang near fainted. Looks like he had just been painted. Of course, you have the Cozy Cone Motel. Looks like a great place to stay. What do you think? You got Flo. Got your Route 66 signs. And of course, a fan favorite, Mater. Because no car land is complete without Tow Mater. Right behind the Cozy Cone Motel, you have the Cozy Cone Pool, where you too can sit in your own traffic cone. You have Sarge's Surplus Hut. And the star of the show, Lightning McQueen. Hanging out here at the Willwell Motor Court. Another look at the Cozy Cone Pool area here in Cars. Everybody needs a little groovy peace and love. And while you're here, don't forget to stop at Fillmore's Organic Fuels. And of course, you got Luigi's Casa della Tires. You need your tires done Italian style. All right, and that is going to be our tour here around Disney's Art of Animation Resort. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always,
We'll see you out on the we'll see you out on the high seas.
or Disney.